To make Japanese sushi, first wash your hands. Then rinse sushi rice twice with cold water and tip the damp rice into a casserole dish. Ask a grown-up to pour over hot water, cover with foil and a tight-fitting lid, and ask them to put it in the oven for you. Take 2 eggs and crack them into a mug one by one. Check for shell and tip into a bowl. Don't forget to wipe your hands after touching raw egg. Beat them together with chopsticks or a fork and pour into an oiled loaf tin. Then ask a grown-up to put the eggs in the oven too. Next, spoon mayonnaise into a bowl of tinned tuna and give it a mix. This will be one of your sushi fillings. Now add rice vinegar, caster sugar, and a pinch of salt to a jug and give this a stir to make the rice dressing. And when the rice is cooked and slightly cooled, pour the rice dressing all over it and give it a good stir. Cover with a clean, damp tea towel and put it to one side. When your egg is cooked and cooled, carefully cut into strips to make another of your sushi fillings. You can use any filling you want. Sliced peppers, cucumber strips, and grated carrot work well. Now place a sheet of nori seaweed shiny side down onto a sushi mat. Wet your fingers with water and press about 2 handfuls of your cooled rice onto the nori seaweed sheet, making sure you leave a gap at the top. Then add any filling you want. Cucumber strips and tuna mayonnaise work well. Just lay them across the middle. Now roll the sushi mat from the bottom and gently squeeze it together. Dab the top edge of the nori seaweed with water and finish rolling and squeezing. Why not try another filling? In another sheet of nori seaweed, take more rice, egg strips, grated carrot, sliced pepper, and do the same again. Make as many sushi rolls as you want. 4 nori seaweed sheets will make 4 sushi rolls. Ask a grown-up to carefully cut them into pieces for you. Your Japanese sushi is ready to eat. The tasty fillings rolled up inside the nori seaweed and rice look really tasty and extra colourful. This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.